Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic, work it if it's working, finding joy in the everyday, came to me through a conversation with my friend and editor, Mrs. Lynn Braxton from Divine Editing and Proofreading Services, LLC. Let me begin with a question. Have you ever paused in your busy day to ask yourself, what is working in my life? This question lies at the core of our topic today. Work it if it's working is a call to recognize, to embrace, and to enhance the aspects of our lives that bring us joy, success, and fulfillment. I want you to think about your daily routine. Is there a particular moment of your day you always look forward to? Is it the quiet morning coffee, the evening walk, or weekend hobby you indulge in? As simple as they seem, these moments form the foundations of our happiness. Why not then identify these bright spots and ask ourselves, how can I improve them? I will now share two examples of persons who personify the notion of working if it is working. Let me tell you about my friend Anna, a teacher who found her greatest joy in the interactive parts of her lessons. Anna asked herself, how can I integrate more of this teaching? By focusing on what worked, the interactive elements, she enhanced her students' learning experience and reignited her passion for teaching. Mark, my friend, a small business owner, Mark realized his most productive hours were in the early morning. So instead of fighting this pattern, Mark embraced it, restructuring his schedule to capitalize on these peak hours. I have some questions for you. Have you identified your most productive times? How can you rearrange your schedule to align with your natural rhythms? Work it if it's working is not just about sticking to what is comfortable. It is about actively finding and expanding upon what enriches our lives. So, what is it for you? Is it a particular aspect of your job that you excel at and enjoy? Or is it a weekly tradition with family or friends that uplifts you? Another question. How can you expand these positive experiences to fill more of your life? It is essential that we find it in ourselves to be brave enough to let go of what is not working. So I want you to consider this. Are there tasks or commitments that drain your energy without providing any real value? Let me say that again. Are there tasks or commitments that drain your energy without providing any real value? How can you minimize or eliminate these to make more room for what works? In wrapping this up, work it if it's working invites us to actively engage with our lives, to ask the tough questions, and to make conscious choices about what we nurture and grow. It is about recognizing the power of the everyday and making it work to our advantage. So let us not just go through the motions. Let us find our joy, work it if it's working, and live our purpose. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.